guys, so today we are painting the interior. So I went to Walmart, got some acetone, got a measuring cup for when I mix the clear and stuff, and I got 2 cans of gloss white paint with primer for like $3.50 each. So the whole point is, first I need to go over the entire cage with acetone and sandpaper to get the finish off and to make sure there's no rust or anything, clean it up. Then I can spray this everywhere. The wires that get painted over or something like that, either way I'm going to wrap every single like lumen harness in electrical tape, so even if they get sprayed white it's okay. Because basically I'm just going to wrap it in electrical tape because it'll look a lot cleaner if the wires are together in a bunch and electrical tape is black, so it just looks cleaner and it'll hide a lot of the wires a lot better than just having all the multiple colored wires everywhere. I do have clear coat from like way back when I painted my S14. This is the gun I'm going to be using. I'm assuming we'll get to that today. Should at least, but it's this. It's high gloss clear coat. It's 2-part, which means it's super hard, and it is UV resistant. Because spray paint, if you use spray paint, whenever your feet are gonna hit the cage, or even if you like, I don't know, hit it, the paint will probably fall off or chip off because it's really soft. Anything in a can is single part and it's really soft. But when you put something that's 2-part over it, like the clear, it you know, it's the same clear coat that's on regular cars, so it's really hard, and it resists scratching and fading and stuff like that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint the doors or anything, because there's no real point, because I mean they're gonna be carbon doors sooner or later, so they're gonna be black. But I will probably peel the heat tape off and paint all that black and stuff. Definitely need to vacuum or something first. I don't know what, but I have to do something. So I don't know, I've spent like the past, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours cleaning this car up, but I got a lot of the small stuff out. The main thing is I got the 2 boxes that were there. The ECU is now zip tied to that, and the fuse box is now zip tied to the dash bar. So the main things that were on the floor are all gone. That's just zip ties, and this is the harness that I would be moving out of the way as I paint. Like I said, either way, if, what is it called? If paint gets on the wires, it's not a big deal. I can, you know, wrap it. I'm not sure if it's gonna rain or not, because it kind of looks like it's gonna, because all of a sudden it's all dark. Although it says it's not gonna rain. Here's my cat friend. I don't know if I'm actually gonna paint in today's video, honestly. I might have to just sand and acetone the whole cage, because I still have that to do. And then I also want to bring a vacuum cleaner and like vacuum all the dust in there. All the dust, not the dust, it's like dirt and bits. And there's a ton right here under this seat and right there too, and the trunk. So I might want to do that because I want to do good prep work for this paint job. Yep, it is raining now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. It's really tiny video, but I guess we'll call it the cage prep. I know I didn't really show much. I didn't want to show me like doing all the wiring and stuff. Like I pulled through the power cable, I disconnected it from the firewall and pulled it back through. I might try to do the same thing with the harness, because when he built the cage, for some reason, I mean, he wanted the wiring out of the way, obviously, when you weld, but he left it on this side, and it's kind of annoying to tuck, because I wanted to go through here and kind of run along this, but it's actually starting to rain a lot now. So I'm gonna go quickly cover this car up and everything. Thunderstorm, boys. I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow, probably, because Rachel's going to be home sooner or later, and by the time this rain is over. So tomorrow I guess I'll do the sanding and painting. I just have to vacuum, but I did get a lot of the wires out of the way and little crap. I don't know if you guys saw in the video, but the doors don't stay open when you open them by themselves. And it's because he disconnected these hinges that keep them open. But I finally found the bolt and reconnected so that the doors can stay wide open. Stuff like that. And then as you guys saw, it does suck about the legal voting thing, whatever that is. Just so you guys know, it's not that I told you guys to vote or anything. That's legal. Pretty sure, should be at least. It's the fact that he said that there was like 1,000 votes coming from like the same IP address. So I don't really know. Like I said, September 4th, I'll obviously let you guys know, is the next, this like the legit competition for the top 2 that go to SEMA. So hopefully we can take this shit thing to SEMA. And in case you guys are wondering about the kit, Waker is back from his vacation thing. Why am I so close? Oh, that's the wrong thing. There we go. Waker is back from the vacation thing, and he is working on the kit every weekend. So he's just, like I said, he's still going to do the front end first and then the back end. But he's like finding little imperfections in the front end and stuff like that. So what can you do? Anyways, see you in the next video, guys.